Unlock a world of apps, games, and content on Google Play using the secure and convenient method of Paysafe. First, you'll need your Paysafe card. Locate the 16-digit PIN on the back of your card. This is your key to making purchases without needing a bank account or credit card directly. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once it's open, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Payment Methods. This is where you manage how you pay for your digital goods. On the Payment Methods screen, you'll see several options. Look for and tap on Redeem Code. This is where you input your Paysafe PIN. Carefully enter the 16-digit PIN from your Paysafe card into the provided field. Double-check to ensure there are no typos, as an incorrect PIN will prevent the redemption. Once entered correctly, tap Redeem. Your Paysafe balance will now be linked to your Google account, appearing as Google Play Balance, ready for use. Now, when you go to purchase an app, game, or any other content on Google Play, your available balance from Paysafe will automatically be an option. Simply confirm your purchase and enjoy your new content. And that's how you use Paysafe to pay for your favorite content on Google Play. It's a simple, secure, and effective way to manage your digital spending.